Now the greatest integer function, we have to solve the equation. A very simple equation is greatest integer function of x plus greatest integer function of 2x equal to 7. Here in this question, we just find out first the broader range of this x so that this equation is being satisfied. So clearly, when x is 2, what you say that greatest integer function of x plus greatest integer function of 2x is 2 plus 2 into 2. So you will get 2 plus 4 because these are integers, so they will directly come out. So 6 is the value. But our value is 7. So let us see. When x equal to 3, so x 3, 2x, 2 3 is 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. But our value is 7. So we are just getting that x could be between 2 and 3. Yes or no? Then only we can get this 7 value. So more specifically we have to find the solution. So we will proceed like this. Now as x plus 2x, greatest integer function of x and greatest integer function of 2x is 7, it will lie between 6 and 9 as above. So x broadly belongs to this interval 2 and 3. Okay, open interval. More specifically, if you want to further proceed, so we will take x as n plus f, where n is integer, positive integer, and f is a fractional part. So this greatest integer function of x plus greatest integer function of 2x will be 7, will imply n plus f plus twice of n plus f greatest integer function equal to 7. Here f is fractional part, so it will lie between 0 and 1, 0 equal to less than f less than 1. So as n is integer, so it will come out from the function directly. So greatest integer function of f plus n. Here also 2n will come out directly and 2f will be inside the greatest integer function of f equal to 7. Now this point I have written it 0 because fractional part, as it is between 0 and 1, so its greatest integer value will be 0. Okay, so let us see. So we are getting 0 plus n plus 2n plus twice of f greatest integer function equal to 7. This will give you 3n and greatest integer function of 2f plus will give you 7. Now as f belongs to 0, this range, so twice of f belong to 0 less than equal to 2f less than 2. So here 2f can attain two values, integral values 1 and 2 in this. In this range, it can attain two values 0 and 1. Sorry, okay, 0 and 1. So here 2f can be either 0 or 1. If 2f is 0, then this equation will become 3n plus 0 equal to 7, that is n is 7 by 3, which is fractional part, but we have assumed that n is a positive integer. Okay, so it will cancel out. Now if 2f is 1, then this equation will give you directly 3n plus 1 because 1 greatest integer function 1. So 3n plus 1 equal to 7, so 3n is 7 minus 1, 6, that is n is 6 by 3, that is 2. And from this you can find out f as 1 by 2. So we can have x as n plus f, so 2 plus 0.5, that is 2.5. So one value we are getting more specifically as 2.5, which is lying between 2 and 3. So we can now write this 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2, that for this equation x will belong to 5 by 2, closed interval from the left side and open interval from the right side 3.